Hi guys, again it is Jacinta and Mofrel. You remember in the last video where I made the carrot oil, I got this carrot pulp as a leftover for this special video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a face wash with the leftover of the carrot. Now I'm using a Dove soap because that's what I normally use to bathe. You can use any soap of your choice, whatever you want. You can also use a liquid soap if you want, so it's gonna be like a body wash, something like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to put this in the pot. I'm not adding any water because already, remember, my pulp has a lot of oil and it's still wet. So I'm gonna cook this on medium heat so that it will, you know, mix all together. And once I'm okay with the mixture, I will go ahead and put it into a plate as I am doing right now. You can see how fully blended it is, right? It's so clean, and as you can see in this video, I will advise you to let it cool down because it's just coming out from the stove, so you need it to get cold a little because we will be blending this. Yes, you heard me, because it still has some little fibers of the carrot, so I'll be using this to smoothen this thoroughly, as you can see. If you don't have this type, you can also use your regular blender. Okay, just be careful to make sure that you don't use paper or chile if you use it to make food. So look at how smooth my mixture is after I had done this. So smooth, and you can feel it. Looking at it alone, you know that it's so clean, and if you touch it with your fingers, it's so smooth. I just got a face wash. Yeah, and now this is the other part, which is mixing it with the leftover of the essential oil I had and carrot oil from the previous video. I mix everything. As I am doing this, guys, I was so satisfied. Like, I didn't know it was gonna turn out like this, but it was so satisfying to watch. Look at how smooth it's falling down, so perfectly mixed up, not so liquid, not so dry. All you need is just to use your hand, the tip of your hand, to grab a little portion that you need and apply it directly on your face or on your shoulder, any part. Or you can use it to also, you know, as a body scrub. Look at this, guys. And yeah, by the way, the container that I use, this is everything you see here is from my kitchen. So that's why I said it's an easy homemade recipe, because I don't need to go buy anything except the essential oil that I needed. All this can I got from 365 organic strawberry jar, and the other one it's something strawberry, but I don't remember. But all of them were from food grocery that I had previously bought. And yes, now you can see how it feels to touch. I'm trying it out on my arm to show you that it can easily wash away. Just stay tuned, watch this. And as you do this, I want you to go ahead, if you like this video, go ahead and write a comment below, subscribe to our channel, like it. You can share it as well to your friends, and always stay tuned for more educative video. Now I'm washing with some water. Can you see how easily it washes off? So there's nothing like because of the oil in it, it's gonna build up. No, it wouldn't build up. It washes so perfectly fine, so clean, so perfect. And like I told you, you can easily do this right from your home. This particular scrub didn't take me up to 30 minutes. Yeah, it didn't. The only thing that took me time was to prepare the essential oil and the carrot oil that I had already made before now. So I fully recommend this 100%. And I already tried this. It was